Alright, so on the website for part 2, you can go into settings to change the date. I have it in here under the tagline, Saturday, September 10th, 2011, so you can change this here on the tagline and save changes, and that's going to change the date up here in the top right. For artists, you're going to have to go to posts. You'll see a list of all the different artists in here as a different post, so if you want to edit the ones from last year, that's great, or you can trash. Click trash to get rid of any you don't want. Whenever you're making new artists, I would recommend pressing duplicate, and that'll take you into editing the duplicate version. So you'll change the artist name up here. This should be set on visual, not HTML, and it's got the picture in this main area, and then custom fields down here. So art type, fiber, booth number 35, featured 1. That means they're going to appear in this feature artist over to the left. So if we have a picture for them, I usually make them featured. But if there's no picture for them, then I don't want something that says no picture showing up here in this left column. So I usually change that to a 0 instead of a 1. And then of course hometown. So I actually want to get rid of this one, move to trash, because I made a duplicate of Kathy Workowski. But one thing I did want to point out, if you go here to the artist page and then click on one of the artists here, or even on the picture, it takes you to a more detailed view of a larger picture. So if you want to add more information about these artists next year, you can go in here to edit and put whatever description you want in this main area here, whether it's their website or whatever they want to do, and that'll show in this detailed view. It will not show here in the kind of artist summary page. So sponsors, the way you get to the sponsors presented by, you click learn more over here, and it just has the 3 sponsors here, and that's a regular page. So if I go here to page and then to sponsors, I can edit the information there right here. But unlike the artists, which are automatically fed into the left column, there's a separate place you have to go to edit this text right here. So you're going to go to appearance and then widgets, and then over here to presented by, you'll see the text that's in there wrapped in a little code, so you can change this text to whatever you want. Same goes for if you wanted to change the text in this bottom block right here. You click here and you can change any of that text. You could also add blocks if you wanted to, by taking, let's say, a search form, adding it over here to this box. We'll call this search and click save. And then you'll see there's a search box down here on the left column, but I'm going to get rid of that. So the last item we have is the home page. And the home page is a little bit tricky because I have it set up where this text overlays this picture nicely right here. So that's probably something you're going to need my help to change with, but in case you need to make changes without me, what you could do is go to home page and just delete everything that's here. Well, you can change any of the text here, but if you want to kind of start from scratch and upload your own picture, just clear out everything that's in here and start from scratch. So that's pretty much it, and let me know if you have questions.